Hello friends, thank you for joining me. Today I will show you how to put a wind deflector on BMW X3. So where this wind deflector is, I'll show you. The wind deflector comes here and on this side. Well, the purpose we can talk later, but I'll show you how to put this one. Let me show you what I got from eBay. That's almost 30 pounds for this vehicle. And usually this company always gives around same price, 30 pounds for any wind deflector. You need to put your model so that make sure you email them and find out if it fits your car. So let me show you how we put this wind deflector and what's the result. So this is before and I'll show you after. So this is what you can see is a wind deflector, and this is what I got. So it looks like this. And let me show you how we're gonna put it on this side and on this side. So we got four, so 1 2 3 4 windows, and that's the one. It's easy to install, but it's a little bit tricky, otherwise you're gonna break this and you might lose money. So the first thing is you need to put the window down, and if you see, there are gaps here, there are gaps here. So this wind deflector will go something like this. It has to go here, all the way here, here, and then basically something like this. So let me put it and then I'll show you the result, how it comes, because I need to use both hands. And this sticker, you need to take it out. This sticker, you need to take it out, and then it goes inside it. And then we got some clips to make sure that it fixed properly and it doesn't come out when the window goes up and down. So I'll take this sticker out. It's not really a strong like a glue, but it might help just to stick this inside the window space. There you go. So that's done. So it was simple and easy, but I will show you one more thing. So we got some like a clamps here, like these ones. Now where this goes, I'll show you. This goes here. Let me bring you closer and I'll show you. So this is the outcome. So this is, it went inside where the gap is, and what I was showing you is these clamps. So these goes the space over here inside. So it goes like this, and you need to press it. It goes like this, and then you need to press it with a screwdriver. Make sure it doesn't break this, and it will hold it, because this has a clip and it won't come out. So when this goes in, the company has given 2 per window, so this clamp goes in here and it won't come out. So let me put this. It's easy. Place it here, press it a little bit hard with a screwdriver, and this will slide it in. So it's like this. Press it, place it here, press it, it goes inside, and just release it, it stays inside. So it stays inside somewhere here. So if I can show you, that's there. That's the clip, the clamp I was talking about. If this goes here and one's here, and what we can do is we can put the window up and see how it looks. This is the outcome. So after putting this wind deflector, so this is the new look of a BMW. What it helps you, if you put your window down a little bit, it helps you in defrosting, and a little bit of wind comes inside, so you can leave it like this in summer, so you can see the gap, and your car will not get really hot during the parking if you leave it outside in the sun. Let me finish all the wind deflectors, and I'll show you after how it looks and what's the outcome. So this is the final outcome. So if you can see all the way here, nicely done. On this side exactly the same, and gives you a different look to your car. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this video helps someone in fixing their wind deflector to their cars. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. It will encourage me to make some good videos for you guys. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye bye.